Cool.
Hopefully that's run in then.
Yeah?
Not ideal. We don't want it looking like that, do we?
Let's have a look. Ooh, Jesus. So you've replaced the block and the piston?
I've given the barrel a right hone, put a new piston in it, new little end bearing.
Nice.
Clean the head up a little bit. It's not ideal. It won't be as fast as it should be, but we'll
See how it
see how
goes.
it goes.
And it's been fine for the previous few days.
Last 2 days, not had a problem with it. And then for some reason today, air pressure's slightly different, but
Yeah.
not to the degree where I thought it would go bang. So, but it has.
Fingers crossed for you, mate. We shall see soon.